Question is x log 1 plus x dx. Now taking this as a first function, this as a second function. Now integrating by parts, and using the formula, first function as it is, log 1 plus x, integration of second minus integration d by dx of first function, log 1 plus x, integration of x dx. Now x square log 1 plus x, integration of x is x square upon 2, x square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus integration, now d by dx of log 1 plus x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x, that is 1, and integration of x is x square upon 2 dx. X square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus integration of x square upon 1 plus x and this 2, let it be here, dx. Now what to do for this part? What we can do it? X square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus 1 upon 2 integration of, now we can write it x square minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x dx. Okay, so this becomes now x square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus, now this becomes half integration of x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x dx minus 1 upon 2 integration of dx upon 1 plus x. To this part we have split it into the two parts. Now we are having x square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus half integration of x minus 1 dx. Using the identity a square minus b square, we are left with a minus b minus 1 upon 2 integration of dx upon 1 plus x. Now two integrand we are having, so we are going for x square upon 2 log 1 plus x as it is minus integration of x minus 1. So we are having now minus half x square upon 2 minus x minus 1, x square upon 2 minus x minus half log mod of 1 plus x plus c. Now the final answer becomes x square upon 2 log 1 plus x minus 1 upon 4 x square plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 upon 2 log 1 plus x plus c. Is it clear? Or this becomes log 1 plus x can be taken common and we can write x square upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4x square plus half x plus c answer. Okay, so we can move like this for this question.